Let's get today started. Oh shit. I think this shit fell while I was driving low key. What is going on, my beautiful YouTube people? Guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Again, we just finished that video on the newest addition to the Alpharex Army family, and this is again the 2008 Corvette C6. So today, as you saw, sorry guys, it's very bright out here. Today, as you can see, this thing fell off. We're installing some new taillights, and these are nothing less but the Alpharex taillights. So these are the Alpharex. I'll link them in the description below so you guys can check them out. Very beautiful headlight. Very beautifully packaged. There's no problems there. Just look at that thing. It looks very mean. So I've seen a couple of videos on like the Morimoto or whatever you're gonna call it. I don't know how to say it. Headlights, and those are beautiful because they're white with like a very smoky inside. I don't know how to describe it, but I really like those, but they're very expensive. So these are, well, they're not that bad. They're like in the 300s. So I'll link it down below so you guys can check them out again. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna install these headlights on our new Corvette C6. This is pretty much our first mod. I haven't done the front because it seems very difficult, but yeah, let's get started and let's get those ugly ass red taillights out. Yeet. All we're doing here is removing these bolts that are attached to the taillight. They're located right there, as you guys can see, or not, because the sun is fucking it up. But it's pretty simple. Should come right out. See that? Yeah, like this one was very broken from the bottom. Didn't even have the little thingies down here anymore. But yeah, so they're just regular connectors here. I'm pretty sure they can connect to the other tail light. I'm just trying to get this one out. Okay, so these tail lights come with this resistor. So this is easy. You connect it to the other cable that's already coming out, which is this one right here. And that's pretty much it, right? But then this, I did not know. I'm no expert, and this is pretty much a bulb. This is a light bulb that you connect into the actual connector of the bulb that comes with the tail light. So you remove the whole thing aside, or you remove pretty much the whole thing basically. So this housing with the bulb, and you should just have this. See that? And that's where the tail light connects. None of the other videos showed that, so I kind of wanted to show you guys that that's where you connected, because I had no clue. Now that I know that, it should be a pretty simple install. Super simple. Now these do come with this little button here. It's an on and off button. I don't know if you guys can see that right here. So the off button is pretty much to say, okay, the blinker is gonna go sequential, and the other one's just gonna be a regular turn signal. So let's go ahead and connect this one onto the car and see how it looks. god, just look at that. Oh, yep. See that? I don't think you can see it in the bucket. Oh man, it looks so nice, bro. Okay, so during the day you cannot see that well, but they're sequential, so if you put it on the O, that turns it off, you know, quote unquote. So it turns off the regular turn signal and turns on the sequential signal, turn signal. So right now that's how it is, and I think that's how I'm gonna leave it because it looks so damn good. Damn, that was good. That looked damn good. So that's done. What we'll do next is for that specifically, I'll have a video shoot, as per usual, cinematic shoot. That way you guys can check it out. I'll sit the camera somewhere so you guys can see the brake lights, the turn signals, and stuff like that, so you guys can see how it looks and how it drives after. But yeah, another thing that we're gonna install is, oh man, it's gonna be this. So this one, it rattles, so I hate it. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna change this whole thing out. Should be fairly easy, I don't know exactly yet, but I need to change this out because it's really, really annoying when you're driving. So that was easy. See that? That's gross. So it has a screw on here that we need to get rid of, and it seems like it's another one of these. Yeah, see? I'm already removing the screw from there. So we're probably gonna have to reuse this one. So, see? Damn, this is old, man. This was used and reused, and it's pretty messed up. It's gonna be for sale, 100%. But this one is also beat to shit. So it should be fairly easy to remove from what I've seen, but you never know. Oh shit, I ripped the fucking boot. The boot. It's bad. Jeez, man, it ripped the whole boot off. All these hangers are all messed up. Just look how nasty this is. Should be fairly easy. We have it already off. This is, guess what it comes with. Pretty ugly. And what we got is this full boot. Alcantara with red stitching, and of course the shift knob with Alcantara red stitching. Jeez. Oh, see that? This is beauty. It's trash. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Pretty simple install. I'll link both of these products in the description down below so you guys can check them out. Again, this is an actual GM product, and it was imported from Mexico and it was sent to me. So very good product, very high quality, very OEM. Of course, the usual OEM is just a simple black one like this one, but I mean, it served its purpose for its life. But now it's time to move on, and we have a beautiful Jesus, man, it's so, oh man. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'll link everything down in the description down below so you guys can check it out and get it if you really want it. Very high quality tail lights. And let's jump into the cinematic shoot, shall we? Until next time, peace out.